Don't let become studying like a student who is dying. So, as we already said it, there are different types of learning style: visual, auditory, kinesthetic. So, try to discover your learning style. So, someone may be more comfortable with the visual memory. If they see something, they remember it. So, for that, try to use visual aids for that. Similarly, someone will be able to hear it and remember it better. So then try to participate in debates, try to, explain to others, talk about loud, rhyme it, in fact. Then comes about the kinesthetic learning. So in that, one should even chew the gums, or one can do some motion like walking, running, or using simulation as well about it whenever learning is going on. And yes, uh, try to concentrate, schedule your timing well, improve on your writing skills and listening and note taking. I already showed you those points, how to improve on your note taking skills as well. And some of the important things is never miss your lesson. Keep on reviewing on regular intervals and study multiple subjects. It's not like this that study only one subject. No, study a different multiple subjects as well. Plan your session. So okay, today I'm going to read history. Tomorrow I'm going to read is the heart sounds. And yes, if you do something really well, reward yourself. And yeah, on a regular intervals, do take study breaks as well. Do not think of doing multitasking is not good. Focus on the process. And yes, if you feel getting stuck anywhere, write down your worries as well. And yeah, unless until you are really sick or some health problem is there, there's difficulty to commute and all, please don't miss your sessions. Better than cramming up like, okay, on one day this you will do. Try to have reviews on regular intervals. Only on the basis of that you will be able to upgrade your short term memory into the long memory. This is a very important slide in the sense. So, the first revision, how often you should revise. So, the first revision after the learning, second revision 3 days after the learning, third revision after 1 week, fourth one after 3 weeks, fifth one after 1 month, sixth after 1.5 months, seventh after 2 months. Otherwise, what happens if you don't revise within 24 hours? 80% of the stuff will disappear from your brain. So, so what happens is try to choose little points from all the different topics. Okay, start with the difficult, and as I have already said it, try to revise them at regular intervals as well. And yes, try to use parks, forests, a friend's place, and all. Okay, so that will be pretty helpful. Take good breaks as well. It should not be like that on one time itself you do try to do everything and all. No, that won't be any good. Okay, and yes, don't try to do Facebook, TV, WhatsApp while trying to talk about. Better to switch off those notifications.